Welcome to Extension Gardener on the Crystal Coast. Today I wanted to talk about tomato grafting, and the reason I want to do that is we were going to have a workshop, but because of the coronavirus we're not able to do that. So let me just talk you through the steps. We have a rootstock that is resistant to bacterial wilt, verticillium wilt, and fusarium wilt, and we have a top stock or a scion that is a Roma tomato that doesn't have resistance to any of these diseases. And so what we want to do is we want to take the top of this tomato that we really want to grow and put it onto the roots of this tomato that has resistance to all these soil-borne diseases. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start off with the rootstock. It's in a pot. It's been moistened so the soil's nice and wet. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a 45-degree angle cut right below these two leaves right here, which are the cotyledons. Then we need to find a top scion that we want to use, the tomato that we want to harvest, and we're going to make a 45-degree angle on the part of the stem that's the same size as the rootstock. Then we take these grafting clips and we're going to slide the clip down over the rootstock and slide the scion down in there to meet it. Put them together, make sure that they meet and they join really well. And then what we need to do is we need to put it in a moist chamber. So we're going to use this Ziploc baggie. We're going to put it in this moist chamber. We're going to take this label so that we know what kind of plant it is, stick the label in there. And then we're going to seal this up to keep all the moisture in. And now we're going to take this, we're going to put it in a dark location for about 2 to 3 days, and then we'll move it out into a little bit more sunlight for another 2 to 3 days. After we do that, then we should be able to open the bag and start getting it more and more used to being out in full sun again before we go ahead and plant it. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more of these. Until next time, happy gardening.